Hi there, it's Martin, and in this video, I'll walk you through how to share dashboards in Propel. Sharing key PR insights with your team or stakeholders has never been easier. Let's get started. First, click on your profile in the top right corner of your Propel dashboard. Next, navigate to Settings and select Accounts. Choose the account you want to manage, then scroll down to the Dashboard Sharing section under Basics. Here, you'll see 4 dashboards that you can share: Coverage, Activities, Business Outcomes, Media Monitoring. Select the dashboards you want to share, then click Save. Once saved, the link will be activated, and you can share the interactive dashboard with external stakeholders or anyone who needs access. One important note: the Business Outcomes dashboard can only be shared if Business Outcomes is enabled. Check out the link in the description to learn how to activate it. If you want to change the dashboards you're sharing, simply make the changes and share the new link. And that's it. And don't worry, sharing the dashboard link won't give them access to your Propel account. Now you can easily share live PR insights with just a few clicks. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@propelmypr.com. Thanks for watching.